just love how quick this is. Boom, 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 boom. Literally took me 10 minutes to do my makeup. Yeah, gold was cold because it wasn't popping, it wasn't hot, it wasn't sizzling. Not really a fan of this. It's a subtle highlight, and I'm not a fan of subtle highlights. As for me, myself, and I love that glow, and I feel like these products are coming with the highlighters, and you're like, but where? Where are you coming with the highlighter? Where are you actually coming? Because when that glow that I've got on right now is popping and is blinding your eyes, this is just doing hi. And I'm not a shy person, so yeah, highlight is not for me. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about L'Oreal Infallible. So I was gonna throw it up in the air, and then I just thought that was silly. Like, I always try to catch it and it's just epic fail. So no more juggling, guys. But yeah, today is all about the L'Oreal new Infallible stick range, and I've seen this campaign all over Instagram, social media, and loads of bloggers, influencers, whatever you want to call them, have been covering it. So I thought I'd join the bandwagon. So I'm sporting the look right now. So stay tuned if you want to see that video. But before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I want to say a big shout out to all the people that have recently been subscribing. I've actually seen you and I appreciate it. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate you following me on this journey to YouTube. Has becoming even more and more and more harder to get subscribers and engagement, but I want to thank you guys for taking that journey with me. But if you're brand new to my channel, I do videos Sundays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So if you want to see those videos, why not hit that subscribe button? Have you subscribed? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. So the first thing, step one, is to prime. So I'm going to prime with this Infallible Anti-Fatigue Primer, which is good because I'm literally always tired, guys. So I'm just going to take one pump of this and just paste it on my face. L'Oreal says this is an instant complexion enhancer, extends makeup wear. This primer is an ultra light formula which you can use alone or under foundation. Second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime again. I'm going to prime with this Infallible Luminising primer. You guys know me by now. You know that I love to get that illumination in. So going in with this product, L'Oreal say this is an instant super glow effect and it helps to extend makeup wear for longer. It's an ultra lightweight formula and you can use it by itself or with foundation. I'll probably use it with foundation. And I'm just going to take, oh, that is a little bit luminous, isn't it? So I'm going to take probably 2 pumps because I want to be looking like a light bulb. I'm just rubbing that all in. Okay guys, don't be like me and get too trigger happy. Like, I feel like a silver bauble at the moment, but I really want it to be illuminated. You only really need 1 pump. I think I was going a bit too in for the kill. So now we've done the priming. Second step is cover. So I'm taking the 210 Cappuccino Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. And I'm just going to cover my face with this colour. And I'm just going to wipe that in with a beauty blender. I think the colour is quite appropriate for my skin tone. Yeah, I absolutely loved how quick that was. That was super quick. And the sticks are really creamy, so they just literally melt into your skin and then you can just beat that in with a beauty blender. I feel like they could add more colours, but I feel like the 210 that I'm using is perfect for my skin tone. I don't know, guys. Is it well blended in? Is it not? I don't really know. But they could use a little bit more colour. I do think with these kind of foundation sticks, there's always an orange tone, which I really hate that orange, like, warm tone. But yeah, the first step is contour. So let's contour my eyebrows, under my eyes and my cheekbones. Let's go. For the darker contour, I use Toffee Caramel in 220, and for the lighter contour, I use Radiant Beige in 180. I do feel like this Radiant Beige is a little bit too light for me, but let's just blend this all in and see how it works on the skin. Okay, so I finished all the contouring. I think the Toffee Caramel for a darker contour on my jawline is absolutely perfect. However, the 180 in Radiant Beige just really is not doing it for me. It's way too light and I feel like there's light patches on the top half of my face. So I'm just going to correct them with my actual concealer because I really don't want to be looking casket ready. And that is what my eye area is looking at the moment. So I feel like L'Oreal need to get more shades, some more like lighter shades, more concealer shades. I'm not really feeling this. Okay, now we're going to go into highlight, and I'm taking my 502 Gold is Cold highlight stick, and woo! Guys, you know I love a highlight. Put it on the bridge of my nose, just on my cheek area, going up to my cheekbone, and doing the same on the other side. Actually, I might get my sideburn area pop in as well. And I'm just going to blend that in with my foundation contour brush, because I think if I use a beauty blender, it would just like go everywhere. So just going to brush that in. Yeah, I just wanted to use a foundation brush to brush that in, because I felt like if I used a beauty blender, it would just blend away, and that's not what I'm looking for. But yeah, guys, let me finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will tell you what I think about this product. Okay, guys, so I finished my makeup, and I think this is a very natural look. I'm just going to talk through the product and tell you my faves and what doesn't really work. Okay, first of all, the primers. I do like the Luminising primer, but I think it works better if you're like not black, to be honest. No offense, L'Oreal, because it's more of a silver luminizer, and that just makes my face look a little bit casket ready. I don't know if it's because I put too much. I did put 2 pumps instead of like the usual one. Anti-fatigue primer does give a little bit of a brighten glow, but I don't know, it didn't really do much for me, to be honest. So not really feeling the primers. I don't really feel like they aided in doing anything. Okay, so the second thing was the cover. Absolutely love the colour. I do think the colour is a little bit on the orange side for me, but it's a little bit okay. It's not as bad as Makeup Revolution one that I used previously. It wasn't too orange. Once I blended it into the skin, it really worked, so that's a good one, and that will stay in my makeup bag. Second was the covers. Not really a fan of the lighter concealer shade. I feel like they need to get more shades if they're going to bring out this range, because there's people with different kinds of skin. The contour, absolutely loved. As soon as I put it on, I could feel it melting into my skin, and it's just a subtle contour. I could have gone a few shades darker, but I wanted a subtle contour. I'm not really a contour girl where everything is sharp and popping. No, that's not for me. Lastly is the highlighter. This is the 502 Gold is Cold. Yeah, gold was cold because it wasn't popping, it wasn't hot, it wasn't sizzling. Not really a fan of this. It's a subtle highlight, and I'm not a fan of subtle highlights. As for me, myself and I love that Fenty glow. Nothing has beaten Trophy Wife, and I feel like these products are coming with the highlighters, and you're like, but where? Where are you coming with the highlighter? Where are you actually coming? Because when that Fenty glow that I've got on right now is popping and is blinding your eyes, this is just doing hi. And I'm not a shy person, so yeah, highlight is not for me. But in terms of the cover and the actual contour, yeah, we'll be using it. It's very durable, it's very thick, it's very rich. It seems like you will get a lot for your money, because this is how big the stick is, and I didn't really have to use much because the product is kind of dense in pigmentation and colour, so you don't really have to use much, just a few little dashes on the face. But I just love how quick this is. Boom, 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 boom. Literally took me 10 minutes to do my makeup, and if you want an everyday fast makeup, then I guess this is for you. Overall, that's my review. I feel like L'Oreal needs to step up their game. They need to get a bit more colours. I feel like, how can someone like Fenty Beauty have more of a cover range than you? And people do go hard for Fenty Beauty. That's because it has a vast cover range, and it is suitable for most different skin types. You've got from chalk white to darker than darker. So I think L'Oreal has a multi-million or multi-billion company. I don't know how much they have. Really need to invest on getting more colours. And I'm not just talking about like black colours, I'm just talking about in general, because sometimes you want a lighter shade for conceal and it's not really there, so they just really need to work on their colours. But other than that, I kind of like the product. It is a drugstore product, so I wasn't expecting much from it, but it seems to be doing the job. But that's all, guys. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Share. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below, and I'll also leave the links down below of where you can purchase these items from. But I guess I'll see you in another video, guys, and remember to always stay what? Bougie.